if you're hungry and you really wish to create something amazing, this is the period. And therefore for me, if you're wanting to create a new set of avenues, not just one avenue, set of avenues, look around. And there are amazing possibilities that people are needing at this point, that people may need at this point. And that is where your ingenuity, your ability to break yourself and create afresh for this new reality will come into play. So one of the ideas that I've always felt is that what is an earning source? What is an earning possibility? Now, if we just limit it to how do I earn money, then we are really limiting our thought. All right. Now consider for a moment, let's just break it down to how do you earn money? So if we look at earning money has a direct relationship with the impact that you make. So you may be very talented, but if you're not impacting, there's no chance of you being rewarded by people who are impacted. So as you go up the, like wherever you have reached, you are probably earning more because with your work, you're impacting more. So a way of looking at things, what I feel is, look at how else can I impact. What happens with that is that I look around. So it's now this is a part of a workshop that we do, but I'll give you a sense of it, Pavanji. So typically, when you go to a shop, you look at a thing and then you look how much money do I have. All right. Okay, that's one way. So according to the money, I will buy it or not buy it. All right. Now I just want to turn it slightly around. Imagine you're looking around. You're looking around at what the world is looking for, what the world is asking for, what the world is wanting. Okay. After you've seen that, you've picked up 2 or 3 or 4 things which you think are interesting. Now at that point, you found it interesting. Now you start looking at, so what are my capabilities to fulfill that? Not that I've been doing till now. So I'm not starting from here. I'm starting from here. Okay, what is it that the world wants? What is it the world is needing at this point? And then I start looking at, so what are the capabilities that I have, which I may need to rearrange? Now, at one point is that I will need to rearrange my capabilities. Now, the other end is, who are the other people in around my life whom I can collaborate with? So a very powerful thing which is available to me, and I would love to share with you people, is that life is not just limited to the things that you have. So it's just not your how can I do it? Also start looking at who can you do it with? Because as we complement the capabilities that we have with people around, that's when the possibilities amplify. So now we may have multiple earning possibilities opening up. Now those multiple earning possibilities are not built on a past knowledge. They are now being created basis what is required. And to just give you an example, and Pavanji, I was sharing this with you. So across over these years, we've been working with multiple agencies, and creative agencies, event agencies, apart from learning and development groups and organizations who directly connect with us and all that. So one of the digital agencies, an event agency contacted us, right after the lockdown. And this was a time when you say, good, work is coming. So my colleague, she said, sure, please tell us what is this event? And they said, I'm sorry, what event? He said, how many pieces do you want? They said, what pieces? They said, well, we are offering masks and hand sanitizers. So my colleague said, one sec. And she just checked the email. I said, but you are that agency, right? Which we did 3 events with. He said, yeah. Nowadays we are doing this. And when she shared it with me and when we are having this evening meeting, and I said, wow, can you believe this? I've got so much respect that agency, it is a well-known agency. It is well-known in these circles, but they were not stopped by their reputation. What will people say? Arey yaar, aajkal tum ye kar rahe ho. Yes, I will do it. I can do it because I am not stopped by what others may think, by even my reputation. And that's what I love. So the alternate may be entirely different from what you have ever done. And consider one thing. This is something which I've learned in life. There is nothing low about working. In fact, Pavanji, this period for me is a period for the person who is willing to work. not a person who's only wanting to live on their past accolades or their things that they've achieved. This is a period for each one of us who are hungry. We are hungry. If you're hungry and you really wish to create something amazing, this is the period. And therefore, for me, if you're wanting to create a new set of avenues, not just one avenue, set of avenues, look around. And there are amazing possibilities that people are needing at this point, that people may need at this point. And that is where your ingenuity, your ability to break yourself and create afresh for this new reality will come into play.
Excellent points. What you have said is that money will come because of the impact which you will make.
Absolutely.
And you can make your impact directly and earn money, or you can understand that there is not only financial capital, but also social capital, intellectual capital, which you carry within you. And if you will work in the areas of social capital and intellectual capital also, eventually your impact will be heavier and your returns will come.
It'll amplify. Pawanji, if I'm a very, very, very kind of just point is that this is a very valid and very interesting point that you've just raised. We have to find ways to amplify our impact. And therefore, I stress on the social impact.